Hi, this is Stux. Today I'll be teaching you an easy apple jam recipe. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So for this recipe, I'll be using 8 apples, 1.5 cup of water, 1 lemon and 1 cinnamon stick. In case you have lots of apples at home and you are wondering what to do with them, then this recipe is the right one for you. The first step is to peel, core and finely chop your apples. Once this is done, get a bowl of water, squeeze in half of the lemon and add in the sliced apple. This is to prevent them from getting brown. Next, you transfer the apples into a pot. Add in the 1.5 cup of water, your cinnamon stick and boil for about 30 minutes. Ensure you check in between. Once the apples are soft and ready, remove the cinnamon stick, transfer into a blender, add in the sugar and blend. Transfer the mix into a pot, add in 1 tablespoon of lemon and boil. Here you boil until it thickens. Ensure you stir continuously and cover to prevent splatters. Once the jam is thickened and ready, set aside and allow to cool before pouring. One other thing you can do is to sterilize your jar before using. You can do this by simply putting your jar in a pot of boiling water and let it boil for 15 minutes. Transfer your cool jam into your sterilized jar and refrigerate, but for a longer shelf life, ensure you freeze. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Stux and on this channel I upload healthy and yummy recipes. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. So will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section. And that will be all for today. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. See you some other time.